Hi guys, here we are at Oster level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam.
The alarm is showing on. The high pitch is not staying on.
There we go.
Look,
now.
brand new gate here.
Yeah, it's pretty new, isn't it?
Brand new gate. It is a brand new gate.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Barnby one. These barriers used to be exactly the same as Barnby's.
Yeah. And
With a string.
Green.
look, it's like built.
That's always on green.
Look, it's,
No, down that end.
it's like
Yeah.
built in it.
Time is 14:19 on Saturday, the 7th of February 2015. This is for our 14. I'm going too far down the page now. 14.
I love it how the gates are brand new. But
1421 1 Delta 15 East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds.
all they needed to refurbish was the barriers, but no, they didn't.
It's coming from that way.
Things that didn't need
You can see Claypole, look.
Oh yeah, you can.
And the light's flashing as well.
Dad, you can see Claypole and the light. You can see the lights flashing. That's how you can hear Oster from there. Just to ask, why did this alarm go and then that alarm go? The alarms
Hang on a
went
minute.
like
14.
They've gone at the same time. It's just the hearing of it. There's two different alarms, you see. Two
yeah.
different
On
sounds.
this crossing, there's two different alarms. That alarm went and then that alarm went.
Yeah, that one sounds like Colorado.
Yeah, that one over there does. And that one does too.
The 1425's coming first. These is that way.
No, 1421 London to Leeds. It'll be coming from there, Joe, from Grantham way.
All right. Oh yeah, it will be, won't it?
Then you've got 1425.
I bet you that barrier there bends because you know what I mean, bangs because look, the
No.
gate's risen up so high and it's right underneath the gate. And like this one's really high up. Oh look.
You won't be able to band this one down very well. Force this one down very well, right, Adam?
Yeah, because it's brand new.
Hey?
They're all green.
All of the signals
You'll
are
see it
green.
over the brow of the hill in a minute. Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. That alarm will probably always start before that alarm because the crossing.
Come in.
Right?
Come in.
Is it? Listen to the sound. Listen to the noise it makes when it comes close. Like. The
The alarm.
the train.
The gate.
No, the train vibrating on the track. Listen to what noise it makes when it comes. What is it? Is it a 91? Yeah, it's a 91. Listen to the noise it makes when it comes close to us.
When it
It goes like.
Claypole.
It goes like. Listen.
Was Oster?
Listen.
Oh yeah.
Listen.
Yeah, I can hear it.
91 107. 205 and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.